Hi everyone, just wanted to show you all the containers I added to my garden this year. We have this one here, and that we added last year for just flowers, but I put peppers in them this year. The last one, the smaller one did so much better with the peppers. The larger ones flunked for the most part. I've got onions in one bed back there, and some did really well in one pot and not well in the other, with some other flower pots there. Then on this side, we had a trellis with our lovely vine on it. More pots. And peppers on this one did pretty good, but not really good like in my garden beds. It produced some fruit. These just dropped their leaves and didn't produce any. The basil is pale. And my lovely flowers, really like those. This pot I had last year too, and it's done really well with the peppers. So there you go. Bye.